Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Tiani and my name is 12 11 985. I'm from the group for OCRB. Here I want to present the pneumatic aquator. Okay, next. Aquator. Aquator is mechanical, pneumatic, hydraulic, or electrical device used to move or control mechanical system. Aquator are responsible for converting energy into physical movement. Example, include electromotors, pneumatic cylinder, or hydraulic valves used to move part of machine or the other system. Aquator are frequently used in the variety of industry, automotive, and other engineering applications to produce desired movement. And aquator pneumatic are a type of aquator that use compressed air or gas to produce mechanical movement. These aquator are usually used in the pneumatic system where compressed air is used any resource to move mechanical components such as cylinder or valve. When compressed air is applied to a pneumatic aquator, it will cause linear or rotation movement, depending on the design and function of the aquator. Pneumatic aquator are generally selected for the responsive speed, reliability, and ability to generate appreciable forces in industrial and automotive application. Different between sensor and aquator. Sensor are devices that detect and measure any change in the physical environment. It converts physical quantity into electric signal. It takes any input from the real-world environment and feeds it into a system in the form of electric signal. It connects to the input of system and supply all the data required for processing. And aquator are devices that convert electric signal into mechanical work. It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Aquator are used to produce movement or change in the environment. For example, fans are used to reduce temperature. Servo motors are used to change position at an end. How pneumatic aquator work? Pneumatic aquator rely on some form of present gas such as compression are entering the chamber to build pressure. Once this air build up sufficient pressure compared to the external atmospheric pressure, then it produces control kinetic movement of the device such a gear or piston. So the resulting movement is directed either in a circular motion or in straight line. These aquator are one of the most frequently used mechanical devices in various industries today when compressed gas is converted into highly controlled and repeatable and reliable energy. Pneumatic aquator parts for a single cylinder. This one cylinder hose compresses air inlet, piston rod, and control spring. Type of pneumatic aquator. The first, piston pneumatic aquator. This type of pneumatic aquator uses a piston in the cylinder. Piston movement can be used simply by applying less or more force to one side of the piston. Single-acting pistons, type pneumatic aquator, use a spring on the one side and convert the force the other side. Whereas double-acting pistons, style pneumatic aquator have a pressure applied to both sides of the piston. The second, rotary propeller pneumatic aquator. The rotary fan type pneumatic aquator only works like a piston pneumatic aquator with two pressure chambers. The pedal includes the output shaft only defined to the two pressure chamber. Changing the difference level on the pedal will move the output shaft according to its 90-degree movement. The third spring diagram pneumatic aquator. Skin of pneumatic aquator requires compressed air to push the diagram against a plate that is resistant by a spring. After the pressure is reduced, the spring will retake the diagram. So by changing the force, the position can be achieved. Example of pneumatic aquator application. The pneumatic aquator is the research is used a vertical dynamic load simulator on the vehicle quarter well suspension mechanism to measure the actual dynamic load that occurs in road transition after passing through the vehicle wheel suspension machine. Pneumatic actuator works by providing varying compression force the spring and shock absorb in the vehicle suspension system. Pressuring air from the compressor uses to provide compressive force on the suspension component, thereby simulating the actual dynamic loads that occur in road construction after passing through the vehicle wheel suspension mechanism. The next example of pneumatic actuator application. The function of the pneumatic actuator in the study was to help patients perform hand opening movement as part of rehabilitation. Pneumatic actuator were chosen to reduce direct contact between the user body and electronic system so that user feels safer from electric shock. The actuator works by using compressed air supply through the air duct to the soft aquator. The soft aquator will produce a hand extension movement when pressuring air is giving it, thus helping the patient in carrying out an out hand opening movement as part of rehabilitation. The next example of pneumatic aquator application in study was used to press used drink cans automatically. When the pressing sensor detects a can, the pneumatic actuator will make the piston active, press the can in the pressing chamber. Pneumatic actuator work by receiving air pressures from the intake valve, which which then applies force to the piston rod to move the pneumatic piston forward or backward. This air pressure is used to automatical press used drink cans. Advance of pneumatic actuator and dispense of pneumatic actuator. Advanced pneumatic actuator generate high force and fast movement speed once used in linear motion control-based application. This actuator has high durability and has high reliability. Cost effective. Pneumatic actuators are very durable and reduce the cost required to maintain their performance. This actuator has a wet temperature range from 0 to 200 degrees Celsius. Pneumatic aquators are more heat resistant. Next, disadvantages of pneumatic aquator. The power output the power output of this aquator is smaller than 10 of a hydraulic aquator. The inside of the machine is not lubricated because air is used as fluid. And the three output accuracy is quite poor in long speed based operation. This aquator works very efficiently when used for certain application. It does perform as well at lower speed. And compressed air requires good preparation. Air can be polluted by lubrication or oil reduce its maintenance. And that, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.